Tatra 813. This heavy truck has been produced by the Czech company Tatra since 1968. This model is equipped with 4 braking systems. A pneumatic brake with 3 independent chains acts on all the wheels of the truck, as well as on the wheels of the trailer. The Tatra 813 has an air-cooled 12-cylinder engine with a 250 horsepower capacity, as well as a 10-speed manual transmission. The load capacity of the car is approximately 3 tons. The maximum speed that this car can develop during the transport of loads reaches 80 km per hour. The base of the Tatra 813 is a single-column tube-shaped frame, within which the transmission elements are located. This frame is very resistant to bending and torsion. Also worth noting is the high capacity of the Tatra 813. The truck feels very safe on any surface in various conditions, and in addition, the car can overcome fords with a depth of up to 1 meter. Panther. Rosenbauer, one of the oldest manufacturers of firefighting equipment, presented the 4th generation of the Panther platform, whose main purpose is to extinguish fires in airports. The triaxial version of this vehicle is capable of speeds of up to 120 km per hour. The weight of the car is 39 tons. Panther is equipped with a 16.1-litre Volvo D16 engine and a capacity of 750 horsepower at 1800 RPM. This car holds approximately 12,500 litres of water and 250 kilograms of powder. The transmission of the Panther Rosenbauer is designed in such a way that it's possible to operate the pump unit from a traction motor directly in motion, even during low speed movement. Additional devices are used for this, such as a power takeoff mechanism for the automatic transmission. It's also worth noting the power divider, which allows simultaneous driving, operation of the pump unit, as well as a transfer case to distribute the torque over the bridges. Ferret. The base of this vehicle is the British military car Ferret of 1959. The modified version of the car has 6 huge tyres, produced by the Toyo Open Country Company, installed on the wheels made according to the original design. 2 wheels are driven by hydraulic motors controlled from the inside. The King shock suspension allows the vehicle to move easily over difficult terrain to overcome any obstacle. At the rear of the car is a powerful 8-cylinder Chevrolet LS engine with a volume of 5.7 litres. At the top is a launcher with a hook connected to the winch cable. Thanks to this addition, this Ferret is an all-terrain vehicle for driving through sand, rock and rough terrain, which also moves through any obstacle and can cross any ford. Tatra TM140. This all-terrain floating vehicle with a crawler drive system can carry up to 3.5 tons of cargo. At the same time, the maximum capacity on the water increases to 4 tons. The mobility of the TM140 is provided by the YAR MZ236B2 diesel engine with a capacity of 250 horsepower, additionally equipped with turbocharging. The ATV has a hydro-mechanical transmission, through which the engine torque is transmitted to the rear wheels. There is also a 6-speed transmission with electro-hydraulic switching. The maximum road speed of the Tatra TM140 is approximately 45 km per hour. To cross obstacles in the water, the movement is carried out by rewinding the tracks. The maximum speed in the water does not exceed 4 km per hour. The car has a total length of 7.8 meters, a width of 3.1 meters, and a height of 3.1 meters too. It's also worth noting that the distance from the ground is 45 centimeters. This guarantees the possibility of moving on different surfaces. Burlak. This 6-wheel amphibious car stands out for its airtight cab and the presence of a propeller, which allows the car to remain in the water and maneuver between ice breaks. At the front, the Burlak is equipped with a Toyota 1KD FTV turbo diesel engine, which has 170 horsepower at 1800 RPM. The vehicle has an automatic gearbox, and the steering is controlled by a hydraulic cylinder. The suspension of this off-road vehicle is independent, with 2 levers and springs, and its movement is 200 mm, which allows a distance capacity of up to 750 mm. The displacement of each wheel is 1.2 tons. The cruising speed on hard ground is 60 km per hour, and the maximum speed is 88 km per hour. In the water, the Burlak reaches up to 6 km per hour. The dry weight of the car is 3.7 tons, and when working, it's approximately 7 tons. The load capacity of this off-road vehicle without loss of floatability is 2 tons. Vityaz DT30 PM. The design of this 2-link crawler truck provides a great ability to cross any terrain at all seasons, whether off-road or on an underdeveloped road network. The weight of the Vityaz DT30 PM reaches 30 tons, and the load capacity of this vehicle also reaches approximately 30 tons. The ATV is equipped with an 800 horsepower engine. The maximum speed developed by the DT30 PM over the water is approximately 6 km per hour, while the land speed can reach 45 km per hour. It's worth noting that the car can overcome obstacles when fully charged. The maximum angle of ascent or descent on dry ground is 30 degrees, and the maximum angle of heel is 15 degrees. The Vityaz DT30 PM is equipped with hydromechanical transmission and a single-stage hydrodynamic transformer. With higher loads in particularly severe road conditions, this design provides a smooth change in transmitted torque depending on the driving resistance. Peterbilt NRC 50CS. The American company Peterbilt Motors has been producing classic trucks and tractors since 1939. Among its inventions is this black car. The Peterbilt 389 is equipped with a special NRC 50CS device, which is basically a small crane. This equipment has a high level of load that reaches 50 tons. The length of the boom is 2.5 meters, and it should be noted that all elements and devices installed in the Peterbilt NRC 50CS are electronic and do not require manual control. Mercedes-Benz LG 1519. This off-road truck was first introduced in 1976. The vehicle is equipped with a 192 horsepower 5-cylinder engine, and in addition, the LG 1519 has a 6-speed manual transmission, as well as the original suspension produced by Mercedes-Benz. Initially, this truck was designed to transport military weapons, and for this reason the vehicle was also known as the artillery tractor. Guys, it's time to recharge your brain. Visit the channel Brain Time. There you'll find a lot of interesting and useful facts, lots of positive energy and tons of useful information. Subscribe right now. We promise it's going to be really exciting.